Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, gadget use and screen exposure is higher than ever. Physical stores, restaurants, and even parks have temporarily closed, and it seems like the market has shifted to the online world. Hell, even Facebook now offers online dating services. Tap tap tap. What's beneath that tap, you ask? Hi, I'm ScopeRL, here to show you what's beneath that tap under a microscope. Stay tuned until the end for this week's Scope Olympics and the announcement of last episode's winners. Welcome back, my dear Scopitos and Scopitas. This episode will be full of colors and surprises, so do not leave until the end. Before anything else, what you will be seeing today is the screen of a third generation iPad Air. It has a liquid crystal display or LCD, which is backlit by light-emitting diodes or LED lights. I will not bore you with the science of it all, but if you are curious, I will be leaving a link in the description box below that will show you how LCD screens work. Are you ready to see some pixels? Here they are. Can't see anything? Well, that's because it is a black screen. Now watch as I create a white screen. Increasing the red value, now the green value, and finally the blue value. As you can see, subpixels have three colors: red, green, and blue. Now you might be wondering why red, green, and blue are used. As some of you may know, these three are additive primary colors. With these three, you can make any color just by combining them and changing their intensities. In terms of an LCD screen, intensity is manipulated by varying the brightness of each color. This is why all colors in a computer program has a specific RGB code or red, green, blue code. The higher the value, the brighter that color is. Let's check out some other colors, shall we? You are now looking at a red screen. As you can see, it has an RGB value of 255, 0, and 0. This is because red is already a primary color and does not need other colors to simulate. And now we have an orange screen. Now, a yellow screen. As you may have noticed, yellow and orange require the same colors to create. What differs between the two is the intensity of the primary color green. Yellow has 255 while orange has 128. Now we have the green screen. Just like red, green is already an additive primary color, which is why the red value and blue values are 0. Blue screen. And finally magenta, which is created by adding red and blue. It is now time for the Scope Olympics! First of all, congratulations to Via Angela Adeline for getting the correct answer for last week's Scope Olympics. That's right, it was an onion epidermis sample. So, the rules of this game are simple. Try to guess what is shown under the microscope and comment your answer down below with the hashtag ScopeOlympics. I will be choosing someone who gets the correct answer and feature them in my next video. Here we go. For this, I will be asking you to guess the color that is currently shown in your screens. Answers with the shade of the color will have an advantage. For example, if you think that it's mint green, do not just answer green. Write down mint green. What color could it be? That is all for today. If you want more, and yes you do, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you will get notified the next time I upload a video. If you have suggestions, comments, or something that you want me to cover under Microscope, do comment them down below. Once again, this is ScopeRL inviting you to join me as I explore what's beneath and beyond.